In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make egg miso soup. Miso soup you eat at Japanese restaurant is usually tofu miso soup, I think. Tofu is often used to make miso soup at restaurant because it's so easy and so cheap to make. But ingredients for miso soup can be anything you like. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make egg miso soup. So let's get started. To make miso soup, you just need 3 ingredients: dashi, Japanese soup stock, miso, and ingredients. And today, it's egg miso soup. So I have 2 eggs here for 2 cups of miso soup. And I also have this dried wakame seaweed. That looks like this one. But this is totally optional. I have dashi soup stock ready here already. And if you don't know how to make dashi Japanese soup stock, check the video here. And to make egg miso soup, you need to heat up the dashi first. So let's turn the heat on and just bring it to boil. Dashi soup stock is over medium-high heat for a while, and it's almost boiling. So it's time to add these eggs. And when you're adding eggs into the dashi soup stock, you add one by one. So you crack an egg in a little bowl like this. And slide the egg into dashi. You do this to make sure you don't break an egg, and also to make sure you don't have any shell in it. Crack the egg in the bowl and slide it in gently. Today, I want to cook the egg white completely, but I want to keep the egg yolk runny. So let's cook it for about 4 minutes. Just like you're making poached egg, you gently gather the egg white. Make sure you don't break egg yolk here. After cooking the eggs for a while, you start to see foam coming up. So let's remove it using this little spider because the texture is funny. Just like this. And now I see egg white is completely cooked, but the egg yolk is still runny. It's time to add miso paste in here. So this is miso paste. Medium color salty miso, Tokyo's favorite, so-called standard miso. And to make 1 cup of miso soup, you need 1 cup of broth and a little less than 1 tablespoon of this miso paste. Today I'm making 2 cups of miso soup. So I have about 2 cups of broth in here, and I'm adding a little less than 2 tablespoons of this miso paste. Like this amount. And here, using this miso strainer that every Japanese family has. And this is an essential kitchen tool in Japanese kitchen. Put the miso into the strainer, dunk the strainer, make sure you don't push the egg to break the egg. And push the miso out. By using this miso strainer, you don't have to worry about having chunk of miso in your soup bowl. And right after you put the miso in here, you start to smell rich flavor of miso. And when you start to smell that, turn the heat off and no more heating. Make sure you don't boil it after you add this miso paste. Boiling will kill the flavor of miso. No boiling. And let's add this wakame seaweed in here. And give it a few minutes for wakame seaweed to rehydrate. Wakame seaweed rehydrate very quickly. It just needs 1 to 2 minutes to rehydrate. It has been 1-2 minutes already, so wakame seaweed is completely baked now. It's time to serve in this bowl here. Make sure you don't break the egg. And your egg miso soup is ready to go. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question about Japanese food culture, leave a message in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now. See you in next video.